What if I told you your massive full-size oven is completely unnecessary for most of your baking? I spent weeks testing the 5 best toaster ovens for baking in 2026, baking hundreds of cookies, monitoring internal temperatures, and testing heat distribution until I found the truth. One oven couldn't even hold a steady temperature, another baked the most perfect golden cookies I've ever seen, and the winner? It outperformed my full-size oven in every single test. Stay tuned. Starting at number 1. Breville Smart Oven Pro. The best toaster oven. What we liked, this toaster oven can bake, broil, and toast with the best of them. It performed well in all of my tests. It delivered a golden slice of toast in 4 minutes, produced an evenly cooked pot pie, and the super convection helped circulate heat evenly throughout the oven. Its generous capacity, you can roast a chicken in it, makes it well suited as a backup oven for daily cooking tasks. What we didn't like, at almost 20 inches wide and 16 inches deep, this is a big OL appliance that will hog counter space. It's loud when the super convection fan is on. Number 2. Breville Mini Smart Oven BOV 450XL. The best small toaster oven. What we liked, this oven heated up fast. It took a little over a minute to preheat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for the frozen pizza test. Said pizza turned out great, by the way. The crust crisped up nicely, and the cheese was gooey and golden. While it's a small oven, it easily fits 4 pieces of bread, all of which got nicely toasted. The up and down buttons for setting the temperature were easy to use, and the settings dial provided a good basic array of functions: cookies, reheat, bagel, pizza, toast, bake, broil, and roast. Overall, for under $160, this is a great toaster oven for someone who doesn't need anything fancy. What we didn't like, the toast on the right side of the oven was paler than the bread on the other side. It is a small oven, so a 12-inch pizza won't fit inside. Number 3. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. The best air fryer toaster oven. What we liked, this oven sports a dial interface, making it easy to toggle between the many functions it offers, including toast and air fry. It's great that you can adjust the temperature and time while cooking, perfect if you need more time or want to blast the heat for the last few minutes. It toasted decently, though it does err on the side of pale, and air fried supremely well. Thanks to its super convection fan, French fries emerged golden and crunchy, and it made succulent air-fried chicken wings. What we didn't like, while it does tend to produce pale toast, it's easy to up the time and get a darker shade, just turn the dial. Number 4. Breville the Compact Smart Oven. Another good compact toaster oven. What we liked, this smaller model offers many of the features of our favorite Breville Smart Oven Pro without claiming as much countertop space. That said, it's still large enough to toast 6 pieces of bread at once and can fit a 12-inch pizza. It heated evenly, too. The pot pie came out golden brown and piping hot, and the heat map test didn't reveal any hot spots. The dials for changing settings, temperature, and time are easy and intuitive to use. What we didn't like, while the full-sized Breville includes a stainless steel frame, the compact version features a solid glass door with exposed, hot edges. It also doesn't have an interior light. While it can fit 6 pieces of bread for toast, the bread on the edges emerged paler than the slices in the center. Number 5. Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro. An editor favorite toaster oven. What we liked, this is a spacious toaster oven. You could fit a 14-pound turkey in it if you wanted to, that baked, roasted, toasted, and air-fried well. It's been an editor favorite for years, and even won our review of countertop ovens, too. I like the add more time function, and that I could set custom temperatures, like 373 degrees Fahrenheit, just for kicks. What we didn't like, while I don't use the app a ton, Associate Editorial Director Ridley Jemperline-Skirm does find its reminders to flip or turn items quite useful. The toast function is a little spotty, literally, but it does a fine job. It's expensive. So there you have it, the 5 best toaster ovens for baking in 2026. All the links for your purchase are waiting for you right down in the description. If this video helped you find the perfect countertop baker, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest kitchen reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.